In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create talking photos in Grok Imagine. We'll walk through the exact workflow to turn a written idea into a portrait that animates as a short video, keeping everything clear and simple so you can follow along in one go. First, open your browser and head to the Grok website. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of the screen and click on Imagine. This is the creative workspace where you'll write prompts, pick formats, and control how your result looks and plays. In the prompt field that says something like "Type to Imagine," enter this description. A realistic portrait of a young woman, facing forward, neutral expression, studio lighting, centered composition, highly detailed, plain background. This prompt is designed to produce a clean, front-facing subject that's ideal for subtle mouth and facial movement. The neutral expression helps the model create smooth motion without awkward transitions, studio lighting brings out detail, and a plain background keeps the focus on the face. If you want to adapt it later, keep the structure but change the subject or mood, and always avoid using real people without permission. You'll see options for media type. Click on image to note where still renders live, then switch to video for now. Video is what gives you that talking photo effect, turning the portrait into a short animated clip. Next, choose your resolution. Higher resolutions look sharper but can take longer to render and may use more credits or processing time. Pick what makes sense for where you'll share it. Lower for quick previews, higher for final posts. Choose the duration. Short clips often feel more natural for talking style portraits and loop nicely. If you're experimenting, start brief so you can iterate quickly. Now select the aspect ratio. Go with vertical if you're planning to share on stories or shorts, widescreen for desktop or presentations, or square if you need something versatile. Matching the ratio to your platform prevents cropping and keeps the subject centered. When everything looks set, click Submit or simply press Enter. The system will begin generating your video. Rendering time varies with resolution and length, so give it a moment. Once it's ready, preview the result. If the motion or framing isn't quite right, adjust your prompt wording. Emphasize facing forward, neutral expression, or plain background more strongly, or tweak resolution, duration, or aspect ratio, then submit again. That's it. You've created a talking photo in Grok Imagine by crafting a strong portrait prompt, switching to video, and dialing in the key settings for a clean, shareable result. Keep experimenting with careful prompt edits and settings until you get the exact look and feel you want.